So you guys, I went from having my hair from this tiny braids, or should I call it small braids? It was around 60 pieces. I don't know, almost 60 pieces, tiny pieces, to this medium braids, or should I call it big braids? And you guys, I don't like it, but I every single day try my best to convince myself that I love it. Like every single day I speak to myself, I style it in a way to convince myself that I love it. And here is why I did that. Whew, you guys, it's been a minute. I've missed you guys so much. It's been a while I posted. I've been busy, you guys. I've been so busy. But I've decided to just snatch the time I have now to just keep you guys updated. And also, this channel is more like a documentary, so I just want to know what I was doing at this point in my life. So yeah, I'm keeping you guys updated as well, trying to remind myself what happened. Why did I do this? So you guys, here's just a backstory why I switched from having my hair in mini braids that I really love. You guys know I love my mini braids a lot. I have been on mini braids, or should I say small braids, because it wasn't like mini braids like that. Small braids, small sized braids. I have been on small sized braids for 2 years. You guys watch my takedown video where I took down my hair for the first time in 2 years. It was a mini size braid. So I've always loved mini size braid. It made my hair look fuller, made my hair look like locks. It was so beautiful. And now I have medium braids. I don't know. It's still beautiful. I still convince myself that it's so beautiful, but then again, it looks scanty. It doesn't look as full as my braids used to look like. And I'm like, yo, I'm not sure I'm going to do this. But here's why I did that. I took down my mini braids for the first time in 2 years as at March, I think. March. And you guys, that takedown was a long one. It took me about 5 6 hours, and I detested it. I don't even know why. That's the normal time I normally take. That's the normal time it normally takes me to take down my braids. But on that particular day, I felt like I was very much exhausted. Like, why did it take so much? Like, it just dawned on me that, hey, have I been spending all these hours taking down my hair all this while? And I was like, okay, let's ignore it. So I did another braid, and you guys, it was even tinier than the one I took down around March. And that was just like the deal breaker. I decided to go ahead and put my hair in medium braids because I was not ready. I was not ready to spend that amount of hours anymore taking down my hair. So I decided to get medium braids. I don't know if I made a mistake because I'm convincing myself that I love it. It's different because I've never done this before. I have never ever put my hair in this size of braids before. So I'm trying to convince myself that it is beautiful. You will adapt, you adjust to it. It will start looking better with time. You will start feeling it with time. Okay, just dress for it, look good, try your best, and with time you start getting compliments. Whew. um that's really taking too long. It's just 1 week post installation. I started spray on, when was that? Was it last 2 weeks? Last week, yeah, it's just 1 week, and I am still struggling to accept that these braids will not go down in 6 weeks time. Before 6 weeks, like before 4 weeks, I think this braid is going to go down. But let's just see if I fall in love with it. Then yeah, you guys know I carry my hair for 2 to 3 months. So yeah, we might carry it till then because yeah, your girl don't have strength to be taking down hair all the time. You won't catch me doing that. Anyways, here I am just trying my best to moisturize my hair. It's been 1 week. I haven't moisturized my hair. My hair is a bit dry. So I'm just applying all the products that I have in my heels. Nothing has changed. I still use the same old products, macadamia oil, the argan spray, um leave-in conditioner is still the same. I really think the only thing that has changed in my routine is my shampoo, but you guys will see it in my wash day video. I hope I'm going to post a wash day soon because I haven't posted that in a while. Anyway, like the hair is not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Just that it's new, it's strange, and it's too big. Like it's big, so it's making it look scanty. I love my hair full. I love when it was like very full. So just to reconfirm, I went ahead to count the braids on camera, and yeah, if you are reading my lips, you'll be counting alongside with me. We counted around 23 braids in total. Yes, 23 braids in total. So one half had, I think, 11, then the other half had 12. So adding it together, it was 23 braids in total. And yeah, I think this is going to be much easier when it is takedown day. Obviously, I'm just more concerned about the fitting, but we'll adjust, we'll adapt, we'll get better. And if there's any change, of course, you'll be the first to know. I've just been busy, but you guys, I promise I'll try to be posting more often and keep you guys updated on my hair journey, because yes, it's a journey. And if you know me well, you know that I love my hair so much, and there's a lot to do with my hair. There's a lot to say about my hair because I basically wear my hair 24 hours of the day. I barely wear wigs. I do love wigs. I have a lot of wigs, but if you know, you know, I love my hair so much and I wear my hair most of the time. But in braids, yes. So the name braided natural. I love my hair in braids a lot, and yeah, so I just went ahead to style it back because obviously I was at work, as you can see. So I went to put it back in the braids, and yeah, I think it's cute. I really do think it's cute. I think with time I'll adjust. Only that I have only noticed that this is the only style I have been able to do since I made this hair. Like just like that. Since I made the hair, this is the only style. So if you have any idea of the style I can throw up with this hairstyle, please let me know in the comment section. Please drop your comments, tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.